In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log hours, time, or work details under a ticket in Jira. Keeping accurate time logs in Jira is really important, whether you're tracking billable hours, planning sprints, or just making sure your workload is visible to your team. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can confidently record the work you've done on any task. First, start by opening your Jira project board in your browser. You'll see all the tasks or issues laid out, usually in columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Look through the board and click on the specific task or ticket that you want to log your time against. This will open the detailed view of that issue, either as a panel on the side or in a full screen view, depending on your Jira configuration. Take a moment to confirm that you've opened the correct ticket by checking its title and key, so your time is tracked in the right place. Once you're on the task's detail view, look for the three-dot menu, often called the More Actions menu. This is usually located near the top right area of the issue window, close to the issue key or other action buttons like Assign or Transition. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down list of additional options related to that ticket. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Log Work. Depending on your Jira setup or permissions, this might be near the middle of the list. Go ahead and click Log Work. This will open a dedicated dialog or pop-up window where you can enter the details of the work you've done. On the log work screen, you'll typically see fields where you can enter the time spent, such as 1H for 1 hour or 30 undos for 30 minutes. There may also be a field for the date you did the work, and a comment box where you can briefly describe what you worked on. It's a good habit to add a short but clear description, like investigated bug and updated configuration, so your teammates and managers can understand what that time covered. After filling in the necessary details, review them quickly to make sure everything is accurate. Then confirm or save your entry. Your log time is now recorded under that Jira ticket and will